Hi, this is Carla from Carla's glutenfreerecipebox.com. I'm here to show you today's latest recipe, and it is a Copycat mix. It's a Copycat to gluten-free bread and pizza mix made by King Arthur flour. And the bread turns out the texture of gluten sourdough bread. You know how it's a little sturdier than regular white bread and whatnot. And it's fresh. It's flavorful. You can also make it dairy-free. You can make it egg-free, gum-free. There's many substitutions that are really good substitutions where doesn't turn out poorly. So I hope you check this recipe out. And the mix you can also make pizza with. So when I make the pizza, I'll show you that too as well. Meanwhile, get it with a membership at glutenfreerecipebox.com.